Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to make some demo. Me and with Yusuf. Yusuf will explain the code later. So today I want to explain the part of the smart house. This is the smart house.
And
This
then in
there
here,
is the
I make it Bluetooth or
single
sensor suhu.
saklar, and this there is series
Because there's a
saklar.
sensor suhu in here.
And now in here there is the dimmer, and this there is the relay. Relay is for controlling the lamp. So this is automated, so we cannot use from this. So we can use the control this lamp from the laptop. And if we turn off this, so we can control this from manually. So there is the relay. Relay is for relay dimmer. This is dimmer for giving the speed to the what the name fan. So in here all this connect to this microbit, and here there is
Okay,
the
maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video.
step contact also.
I hope you guys understand my video.
And
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
this there is
wabarakatuh.
the saklar series, and you can turn on this. Okay, so we can control this smart house with this for the lamp. We can turn off this and turn on. If the fan, if the number more than 500, so it's move. Okay, so the fan, so this the laptop sent to the Firebase, and the Firebase sent to the website. So after website, this go to the microbit. So the microbit is sent to the cable. And yeah, thank you for Yusuf for be the cameraman. And now let's go to the Yusuf for explain the code.
Bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inshallah, today I will give a tutorial on how to make the demo one before. So right now, let's just new project. Let's name it Smart House. Wow, amazing. Okay, first of all, on start, we're going to put the first line of code, which is here. We're going to variables, make a variable named automatic, or if you want Indonesian, automatis. All right, I'll make it automatic because we're English. Yeah, set automatic to 0. All right, and then uh change this 0 to 1, and then you add extension, search for Bluetooth. ah, okay, Bluetooth, remove extension and add Bluetooth. Next, go to Bluetooth and then take Bluetooth on more Bluetooth word service, and then you will go to basic, take show icon, take this icon, change to X. All right, let you know that the Bluetooth not connected. All right, forever here, and then let's not use forever first. Here, go to more, on Bluetooth connected. Actually here, okay, on Bluetooth connected, we're going to put a show icon, this check, and then after that you will add forever here. I mean, no, first of all is Bluetooth on data receive new line. Here, we're going to go to variables, make a variable name, and then new variable and number. All right. Okay. So here we have three. Now we're going to add this set number and also set number again. So and then we will change the top one's name, and then the top one is on Bluetooth. Here Bluetooth word read until change this to this. And then here on the second one, go to down advanced text, and then actually no, where is it? Where's parse number in serial? Serial, no. All right, where is this text? Oh, here it is. Parse to number. Parse to number. Duplicate this. Boom. Bluetooth word read until new line. Okay. Then next up, here we're going to get if for from it's from loops. I mean logic. If true, then take the big one. If true, then else. Here and then we're gonna continue. Um, variables. I know logic. This one. Actually, we'll take the one with the string. All right. This one. This one. If name equals lampu. Lampu is lampu, guys. Yeah. That's lamp. All right. Because we're gonna name it lampu in the website, and then we will go to pins. Digital write pin here, and then take a variable number. Digital write pin. As I remember, it's pin one. Pin one to number, and then add this. Duplicate this. Boom, boom, and then put it there. And then if name equals kipas, which is fan, then this will duplicate that. Pin 2, pin 2 to number, and then add more, duplicate again, put oh put it there, and then name this automatis, and then this will set this just delete the else, set automatis to variable number, and then this one is finished, and then we will continue to the other one. Here take forever, put it little bit up like this, okay, and then we will put um like this logic if true, then and then we will put if which one is it, yeah, as I remember it's this one. Variables automatic equals 1, then logic if this one, if wait pin, analog read pin, and then analog pin like this, and then put it there. Pin 0, that's already correct, and then change this to this, and then make it 300. Then it will you have to add this, and then pin digital write pin, pin 1, as I remember, yeah, pin 1 to yeah, 1 1, and then duplicate this, boom, boom, oh, boom, L, okay, take this and change to 0. After that 0, um 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 take this forever up, and then this, we don't need else. Bluetooth, yes, I remember Bluetooth, this is Bluetooth or right value, yeah, value, yeah, Bluetooth word right, no, Bluetooth word right value, um duplicate this, and then is this sensor cahaya temperature, and then take this. Where is temperature, guys? Wait. Function, no. Temperature. Okay, there it is. And then sensor cahaya is pins, analog read pin, let me see. Okay, pin 0. And then at basic, pause 500. And then, alright, we are done with the code. Alright, so you will download this to your microbit and then you will be done. So thank you so much. And after that, um, I have one last code. Is actually this Bluetooth, on Bluetooth disconnected, basic, so I can take this make X. Alright, that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys understand. You guys can make smart house too. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.